mystery.
Whoa!
Wow. It's ready!
When did you two come up with all of this?
We've been saving up for about 3 years now, and here it is.
Take it easy, Mom. You don't want to polish a hole in the truck, do you?
It's our first day. I just want everything to be perfect.
I have a feeling that you're going to be a huge hit.
My instructor thinks it'll be a great way to perfect the recipe of my egg rolls. If it works out, then I'm really living my dream.
Great, right?
Not even one person.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi there. Welcome. Is there a problem?
You're new here. We've had a lot of food truck thefts in this area. They're pretty hard to get back once they're gone, so make sure you keep an eye out.
Oh, I see.
Good day, ma'am.
Oh. Thieves? Now, if they were paying customers.
Hi, Miss King.
Hi, gang. What a nice surprise.
We just wanted to say congratulations.
You guys, you're the sweetest. Thank you.
So, Mom, have you been cooking up a storm in there?
No, I haven't really sold any yet.
I don't get it. I'm pretty sure you make the best egg rolls in the city.
But nobody wants to order them.
Don't worry, Mom. Just start cooking, then people will smell that tasty food, and they'll definitely come order some.
That's right. Trust me.
I think Jeff's just hungry.
So do you guys want to be my first customers ever?
Oh, yeah! It'd be my pleasure.
And here we go.
So good.
Smells nice.
Oh, that's making me hungry.
Hi, everyone. Boy, we got a hungry crowd out here, huh?
See? You know, I'm feeling a little peckish. You guys want some snacks?
I could go for whatever that is. Oh!
Guess we're not the only ones who smelled it.
Yeah, it's brand new. Everything is so good.
Really? Okay, then. We'll take 3 of everything.
Okay, coming right up.
Well, here goes nothing. Now this is the best food I've ever tasted.
Absolutely sensational. We gotta come back here for sure.
Yeah, we've got class now. Dumpster dining no more.
That's it. I've got an idea.
Yeah? What you thinking?
We're gonna buy our own food truck and go into business ourselves.
If we do it right, I bet we can make a fortune.
Let's make some food.
This can't be happening. No.
Yeah, huh?
It's just gone. Somebody stole the food truck! I can't.
Are you all right? Karen? Oh,
This
honey,
is a
wake
serious
up.
mystery.
Karen, you're all right.
Okay, you guys.
Transformation!
goods before we talk reward.
Sure, come on.
Yes, perfect.
Diamonds.
But you're giving me an amazing deal, you know that, right?
Whatever.
Man, those guys are idiots. Huh? But this isn't a diamond! You three ripped me off!
I can't believe he fell for taking a froggy bank. One born every minute.
And more importantly, are you sure you actually know how to cook?
Yeah, it's simple. You just put a bunch of tasty things together in a dish and heat it up.
Okay.
There it is! Don't let them get away!
Looks like we've got company.
Come on, we didn't steal this truck. Let's try this. Now hang around.
Knew it! That thing's still following us.
What? How could they possibly know?
Well, not in the last 10 minutes.
Shut up and drive!
All right, here we go.
All right, guys, move it! Don't give them a buffer!
Easy cake! Beast! Yeah, sure. I'll take a boost. What should I do with them?
Maybe shake things up a bit. Time to take out the trash.
If you say so.
I knew it. It was Team Mayhem that stole my mom's truck.
We didn't steal it. We just got a good deal from the guy who did.
Same thing. I'm taking this truck back to its owner.
I'm its owner, so you can either give it back or I'll take it. Move! All right, boys, hurry and get this over with.
I've got just the thing.
Yeah, all right. Now we're talking. Bring it on.
Tobots, let's get mom's truck and bring it home.
You're not the only robots anymore.
Yeah, that might be true. But I'm still the strongest.
Oh, you gotta be kidding!
He's moving too fast for me to handle.
You can be just as strong as us, but that doesn't make you any better at fighting. Okay, let's show them.
You gotta keep up with this. Better luck next time.
That was awesome. Great work, Big Trail.
Oh yeah, victory dance.
That's not fair. Only a cheater would hit you when your back is turned.
Well, duh, we're villains.
Villains get justice.
Is that a shield?
Ha! Our new toy. The shield's made by Galaxy Weapon 2. It's invincible.
Oh, great. Okay, we've got to get them away from the shield somehow.
We told you punks we'd get revenge.
Beast!
Take it away, fellas.
It's about time, you guys. Now let's integrate.
Right, here we go.
gonna get through that shield, you hear me? Never!
You wanna bet on that? Vortex pulse! You see, he's a game.
You'll pay for this, Tobot! You'll pay!
We'll see.
I don't believe it. I don't know what to say. We're just so lucky. I can't believe we got it back.
Hey, thanks again for everything.
We didn't do that much. Somebody must have found the truck and parked it in front of the station.
I promised to get an alarm for you.
That's another case closed.